Oh, that warm, beautiful, glowing sun. It's been cloudy for like, what, 4 days here now?
Yeah, pretty much since we bought the land.
Yes, pretty much since we bought that, it's been
Raining.
So that I can't go over there and do anything. But hey, the pansies I'm about to dig up are looking great.
They looked terrible.
All winter. And there's supposed to be this winter flower you can put in so that your pots don't look like crap during the winter. Ours look like crap all winter. They're hook up pretty well, so I got a pretty good coverage in there with all the pieces that I clumped together from the other pots. But yes, the center of that one came from here, and then the circles came from those two.
And then what's in those two are the bulbs.
And these two are the gladiola bulbs.
And this one has nothing for now because
this one has just those for now. That one has nothing for now, which I mean it's broken anyway. So.
Oh look how fast these grew. And it's just been a week.
You want to talk about look how fast something grew? Look at the freaking grass. I just got it. Now you see why I didn't weed eat last time, because I knew pretty much like this time of the year it's that fast growing stuff that then kind of dies out as soon as the heat hits.
You know what? It just dawned on me.
What, in the right light, I like Brad Pitt?
I wouldn't want you to look like Brad Pitt. He's not my favorite.
In the right light, I look like Eric Montross?
No, you're too short.
I'm long where it counts.
Jensen Ackles?
In my personality.
Do you know what? It just dawned on me.
The fact that the sun's up?
That when you go out there to do stuff in the woods that's ours, that it's going to need to be filmed.
And you got to come with me. I found a way to get you out of the house. Right. This is the season of yellow in North Carolina.
It's
yes.
Appropriate.
In fact, it's funny. A guy I work with just moved down here, and he had never experienced. He had never experienced the North Carolina pollen season. Yeah, for people who don't live in the South.
It might look white to you, but it is yellow and it is thick, and it would be thicker than this, except for it did rain.
Yeah, it's been raining, so it's. But yes, in North Carolina, like it looks like snow. You see it blowing out of the trees in the wind. You see it like just blowing across the highways. So if you don't live in the South and haven't experienced pine pollen season, you're in for a shock.
Yep.
Okay, you ready to go to Lowe's?
Yes.
And Denny's?
Yes, I am. Oh. Wait, you snuck that in.
Uh-huh.
The yellow pollen. Look at that. Isn't that ridiculous?
This is after it rained on it.
Yeah.
I ain't feeling it.
Is it because you're hungry?
Yes. Well, I mean...
You're not seeing what we want.
Oh, there's like just nothing here.
I mean, there's plenty here, just nothing what we want. Why are you looking hungry?
People. Wait, I'm out of the store. I need this stinking stupid thing off. Is there any way we can put all the restrictions back on?
In terms of how many people can be in a store?
Yeah, I kind of liked it when I could walk into a store and didn't have to like have 5,000 people around. I mean, not to be that grumpy, ornery old man who says stay off my lawn, but stay off my lawn. And tell me again how $2 worth of plants was an $80 checkout bill?
$41 worth of wheels.
Yeah, but still. Oh, let's go get some cheap plants. $80 later.
I didn't say that. You did.
Okay, maybe I inserted that.
He's a little Pangry. And just in case you don't know what that means, because you know, there's Hangry, which is you're angry because you're hungry. There's Mangry, you're angry because you're wearing a mask. He's Pangry. He's angry because he's been around people.
Like lots of people who have all been stuck at home for a year and forgotten how manners work.
Yes, they have. So what we wound up doing was buying a new planter to replace the one we cracked. And by we,
She means she.
I didn't crack that planter.
You did not properly instruct me not to, so it's your fault.
Of course it is. Little known fact, look it up. When the wife doesn't instruct the husband not to do something, it becomes her fault when something bad happens. Little known fact, look it up.
Yep, might need a grabbing hook. What I need is a tiller.
Yes, I'm scared of birds. Where's the baby? I mean,
The eggs up over here.
I don't know if I'm seeing them or not.
Yeah, that little brown thing. That little brown.
Oh,
The one that's fussing at us right
sorry, Mama. Now, he can officially start making a path.
now. One that the wife will approve of.
Well, sort of.
I will de-wood the woods for you. Yeah, there's a lot of sweet gum trees back here. Need to get rid of all of these things.
Could you look at me and describe sweet gum tree?
Sweet gum tree is like Satan's anus.
How is a sweet gum tree like Satan's anus?
It was the worst tree ever. It's weak and brittle, so it constantly breaks. Windstorms, ice storms, you name it, the limbs are breaking and falling out. They die, they fall. They drop these stinking little balls that you step on and hurt your feet with all the time.
Are there any balls?
No, these
Ding.
trees are too young.
Ding! Are
These-
there any balls on the ground?
No, these trees are too young.
So young sweet gums do not have balls?
Correct.
They're balls with spikes if you've never seen them.
I'm sure you've pasted a picture by now.
Timber!
Yes, this is a hedge bush also.
Timber! That's pretty thick. I don't know that you're going to be able to
Yeah, I'm gonna.
corona that. Oh!
Well, the bottom part may take more. Not mower, more. Yeah, I'll need to,
That looks like that could go.
well, I mean, you know, I hate cutting cedars down. I like cedars.
I know, but it's
But if
right.
there's any hope of saving this and making it nice, it kind of
But
needs to.
you can maybe, do you think you could dig it up
Uh,
and plant it elsewhere?
I don't know. I mean, it's probably better off just letting it go. But I'm just gonna let it go.
The cedar just cried.
Yeah, I really do hate cutting a cedar down. Get all this stuff cleaned up, get it mowed, and see what it looks like.
He is in his happy place.
Oh yes. No people, just me and nature. Making a happy spot.
Whew. That was close. I didn't know it was going to fall that way.
Don't worry, I won't hurt you.
Here you come. Bye, bye, bye.
Watch out for fire ant.
Huh?
Watch out for fire ant.
Oh, yeah. We'll walk to the front, show them from the front. So, yes, all of this is ours. There is our property marker. So you can see all of this way, which is great. That's our neighbor. We really like her. Elderly lady, really sweet. And but yeah, it's awesome. So I guess now my husband's gonna have to cut all this. Oh, he made it back. I hear the mower. He's mowing. I guess you'll have to cut the front of the road. That pine's gonna have to come down.
Yeah, it needs it now too. Once I cut that pine out of the way, it's falling down. So that I can get to it better.
Right. Okay.
Okay, even you can make it through this without going, eh.
Jazz hands.
As a spider web has been built already and smacks you in the face.
Oh, I would explain.
Is that better?
I'm out of the anxiety.
Okay, I'm gonna pull the lawnmower out now. And I may try to get my handsaw and cut that one stump down still. Hit record, so you're gonna have to do all that again.
Wait.
You're gonna have to do that all again.
But that was so good.
I never hit record, you're gonna have to do that all over again. You ready? Go.
Jazz hands.
Even you can walk out now without having to worry about it. My picturesque little place, my little home away from home. I'm thinking some bird feeders, some wind chimes, some chairs. My little slice of heaven.
All those tours you taste and you weren't even pointing to me.
Oh, I was looking at you at some point. You have to look at the recording
No,
to see.
when I was doing tours you taste.
Whatever that is.
Well, it technically is like.
Okay. Well, if you were doing that, you would have spun around and seen me looking the other way, so you would have known. So I don't want to hear nothing.
I can't do them in the boots.
Okay. I doubt we have any more than 3 seconds of battery left, so. Bye.